Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called Viltrox, Viltrox, and pretty much what it is a professional LED light that has over 299 color options just by turning one knob. So first thing first, let's actually open up and show you what the product looks like first. So when you guys first open the package like this, you guys can see that there's a bunch of paper right here. So there's like a user manual instruction guide on how to set a product and a little warranty card on here. And then you guys can see right here, this is the actual product itself, which is the RGB LED light. So in this little box right here, there's basically everything that comes as a package. So like there's like the battery and I guess the other accessories. So let's see what's in here. So there's probably an accessory where you can actually plug it onto the light itself. If you guys want to put it on a tripod, you can do that using this accessory on here, which is pretty awesome. So for the battery that they use is actually the same as my other ones that I use it in my, I guess, ring lights and also my other LED light panel thing. So you can see this is what the battery looks like. And then here's the actual battery charger, you can see right here. So it uses like a US plug to plug it in to charge the product, which is pretty nice. So basically all you have to do is plug this battery charger into the wall outlet, put this battery in here, and actually start charging. But here is the LED light you can see right here. Very nice kind of design product right here. So on the top and the bottom, you can see no matter where you guys use the accessory right here that's right you guys can attach it on the top or the bottom to put it onto a tripod or wherever you guys want to use it. For the front panel right here, you guys can actually remove it really easily, just like that. It comes off really easily. If you guys look in the back side right here, there's a little logo right here. This is where you guys will put in the battery. This is on and off switch. This is the lock switch, so if you guys want to unlock the product to take out your battery, you guys can use it right there. This is a little button or knob to control the LED light of how strong you guys want to or what kind of color you guys want to use it for. And then here is where you actually will plug in the cable if you guys want to use it. They don't provide you the cable, so if you guys want to use the cable, you have to bring your own or have your own. First thing, let's actually put in the battery first. Alright, so the battery is in now. Let's turn on the product by clicking the button right here. And then sure as the different color options on here. So basically all you have to do is kind of like twist this little knob right here and then actually change the color. So each number represents a different color. And you guys look on right here, it shows you guys where the battery level is for the battery itself. So I'm gonna twist through all 299 so you can see the different color options on here. So I'm not sure if you guys can see or not, the color is actually changing as I change the number from like 0 to 299. So eventually once you reach halfway, like right now, it will turn to the color white. And it starts turning to like greenish, yellowish color. And then eventually it's gonna go back to the color red. If you guys can see, it's starting to turn red again, so that's pretty awesome. So it starts with pink and then moves your way back up to red. And all you have to do is just close the product in the back right here, and it turns it off. And if you guys want to take out the battery, just press this knob down like this, and just push out the battery like that, and you guys are pretty much all done. So that's basically everything that's on our product. Now let's actually plug it in and see when it actually charges or not. Once it fits, it goes in like that, and then the light should turn on here. And then the way how you guys know is when it's charging is putting your battery in first. Let's do that first. Alright, so the battery is in. If you guys see the light right here, it's red. And then when it's done, it should either turn green or it should turn off the light. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that actually does work and does charge and everything. It's so small, so portable. There's a lot of different color options on here, so you guys don't have to bring like different filters or different LED lights with different colors. Everything is basically on here. The only thing that it doesn't have on here is the controls of controlling the brightness. So it's all just one level of brightness on this product. It's just different colors on here. So usually if you guys look at my ring light, there's different brightness level to control. I feel like for these it's more for like a smaller production, or like if you guys don't need too much lighting, just one light is enough, then this would be really awesome and really worth it. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much just a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have